Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I got one more box of the Disney Wonder 2025. This is like the last box I was able to find. We found this at one of the GameStop stores. It was like their last pack. So let's see what we got. Again, we're looking for limited autographs and sketches, and it comes with, oh, there you go, the Dynamite one parallel exclusive. Let's see. This would be my third pack of this Wonder Wonder box. And I think I have it figured out which ones are the nicer card. I've been getting those mixed up in the last video. But I think this time around I kind of know what I'm looking for. So again, we have 7 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I say we start off with this corner one. Scooch, scooch, scooch. There you go. I've gotten a little better of opening those two. Ooh, Mother Gothel? How do you say this? This is from Rapunzel. The Rapunzel movie. Mulan. I think I literally have this card already. Oh my god, I literally have this card too. I think I'm getting a bunch of repeats. Cinderella. I'm not sure I have this one. This is cool. Ooh. So I believe now this is the special card of this pack. It's always the second to last one. And then we have the Feather Duster from Beauty and the Beast. So this is the nicer card of the pack. So we're going to put this, and it does look nice. Nice and glossy. So we're going to put that up. Ooh. Well, we already smacked that. Ariel. Without Cinderella. Asha. I don't think I've seen her movie yet. Oops, I dropped a card. Sisu. Merida. King Magnifico. I feel like I have this exact villain card. So this is the nicer card. And then we have Grumpy. So let's put that guy up. And actually I'm going to start putting these grouped together. Even though I kind of want you guys to see everything I got. Next. Lane Shaw. The Genie. This is new. I don't think I have this one. Cute. Queen Eleanor. Anna. I don't think I have this one either. This is cute. Oh, Sven. So this would be the nicer card of the pack. Wow, this is cute. I like this. Oh my god, I love this. I love Aladdin. My middle name is Jasmine, so hello, this is cool. I like both of these. Very cool. I think this is my favorite so far. Oh, I love this. So, if I hadn't mentioned it before, or if you guys don't know this, I'm looking for 90s Disney stuff, more stuff that I grew up with. Peter Pan, what the this is so cute. Oh my god, I love this. This is dope. Oh, nice. I don't think I have her. I forgot which other two, because there's 3 of these from Aurora, and I think I have 2, but I don't remember. Oh, Prince Eric is my favorite prince. So here you go. I think I have this card already though. I did have this card as well. I'm getting a ton of repeats. Oh, Jiminy Cricket. This is really pretty. Oh, and then the magic mirror. So I've gotten this in a sticker, but not in one of these cards. So very cool. So some new things, but I'm getting repeats of the base cards. Oh, I love Peter Pan. I love that I just got Peter Pan. I'm loving this pack. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, Dr. I don't know how to say his name, but not a 90s movie. Hades, Hercules, the Prince. So, remind me again what prince this is. Is this from Aurora? I think this is from Sleeping Beauty. This is from Cinderella. Ooh, the slipper fits. So, I have a couple of these. This is the stories from Cinderella movie. They always come horizontal like this. So I guess like you're supposed to complete the storyline, but I don't have very many of these. This is kind of cute. And then Valentino, I believe I have this card again. So this is a repeat. So this is a special card in the deck. So far, these two guys are my favorite. Second to last pack here. Let's see what we got. I don't know who this is. Unknown person. Oh, Prince Charming. Cinderella. Oh, Wendy. Another Peter Pan. Princess Aurora. Oh, I love these. So these are like postcards. I have 2 of these already. But if you flip them over, it's kind of like, yeah, you can mail it out. So this says Rosas. Do we know where that Rosas is from? Oh, Wish, it says. I've never seen the movie Wish. But so this is a special card. And then, Ulf. Is this from Rapunzel? Yeah, Rapunzel meets, okay, yeah. Cool. Alright, one last card. Or one last deck, sorry. Hopefully we get something super cool. So I think we're missing the Dynamite Parallel, right? None of these look like the Dynamite Parallel to me. I could be wrong. King Magnifico again. Who is this guy? Does anybody freaking know? Because I've never seen this movie. Maribel. Mushu! Love the colors. King Arthur. Is that King Arthur? It's just Arthur. I don't know his name. Tiana. So, oh, this is the parallel. Here you go. That's kind of cool, actually. Because they're in their frog versions. And then TikTok from Peter Pan. Cool. So we got the last deck had the nice card. And I actually only have enough little stands for this many cards. So very cool. Oh, here we go. Very cool, guys. Comment down below which is your favorite. But I'm definitely loving the Peter Pan stuff, not gonna lie. Look at all this. What else is cool? I love Prince Eric. She's cool. The Genie's cool. feel like I don't have Cinderella, but a lot of these are kind of repeats for me. Still very cool because I'm planning on scrapbooking some of these. Mushu's pretty cool. Love it. Oh, this was pretty cool. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Have a good day.